Stylish, fancy, designer, classy are the words I'm using for this sling bag. So hello, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste, welcome back to Art with Harman Kaur. After a huge success on my previous video of hand embroidered bag, which is about to touch 10k views on YouTube, I am back with another masterpiece and I made a sling bag this time with the easiest way possible. All you need for this sling bag tutorial is a thick fabric, embroidered patches, cardboard piece and a chain, that's all. I used a small shortcut this time of using embroidered patches rather than opting for hand embroidered. Now back to tutorial. This is the basic structure after stitching it from 3 sides. Flip it over and then insert cardboard. I had these patches cut out from my old dupatta that was all toned out, and if you want to give finishing touches to your patches, you can always use this technique of burning the extras on the flame. I used hot glue gun to attach the patches. It worked very nicely and the finishing was also very good. Honestly, I was doubtful at first of using hot glue gun on fabric, but it turned out very well. It is all compiling up now and I'm loving it. Even I haven't thought it would look this good. Please do share your love to my channel. I have been working hard. Do subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment below your reviews and share this video if you want to. Thank you so much for watching.